What it do and how to do and what's going on, guys? Make it nice here once again here with another Pokemon 10. Back so soon, back again. The reason I'm waiting to open them is so I could record them technically, because I don't want to miss anything. I don't want to leave any kind of special moment. Hopefully there is one. Can this tin also deliver? Wow. It already delivers a really nice card. This is my favorite of the birds. A lot of people like the Moltres. I don't think anybody really likes the Articuno one, but this is definitely my favorite since I saw it the first time. Yeah, he's going to get himself some Doug Trio kebabs on the grill. Actually, probably just going to eat them raw. And we got 4 Crown Zenith candy bars. And this is what we're really after, folks. This is the meat of the box. Besides the Articuno. Oh my gosh. Let's get right into some of these packs. If I don't get anything out of this set, it's okay. I'll try not to be too upset. It's time to go, blood. It's time to go. Card trick. Hat trick. Hat trick. Leafy energy. And we start. A Galarian. I think it's our first one. First Galarian. We've got plenty of friends in Sinnoh. We've got this Gloom with the goom coming out of her mouth. Gloom glooming. Cherubi. A Stall. A Switch. An Execute. And a Love Disc. And ooh, oh no. What did we get, folks? Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my god! Ah! Iridocyclitis? Followed by A. Oh my mama. That turned VMAX. Oh my goodness. A full art illustration with the Irida trainer. This card is worth a crap ton in Japan. Not so much here right now. But oh my gosh, folks. We wanted to open Crown Zenith. We are here opening Crown Zenith. We continue with the unearthed tins from beneath the Target shelf. So now you know where they came from. It's a true story. I wouldn't make something like that up. And yeah, I'm just kicking my butt for not recording it. I had all the time in the world, I had all the ability to do it, but I just don't want to be that guy in the store recording, especially in the kids section. The Solrock in the beginning was a hint of what was to come. Oh my goodness, look at the amount of foil on that card and the print line. Oh, boom. Whoa. A freaking ditto. That's a nice holographic with that extra shine there. And we're back, folks. Before we were rudely interrupted, I actually ran out of storage space. Recording space, yeah. Lovely. What more could we possibly be asking for? Well, I'll tell you what we're asking for. We want that Giratina, don't we? Giratina. Come on. Something. Finally. Oh my god. We didn't even holy moly, guys. My goodness, what a roller coaster of emotions Crown Zenith little mini tin has been, guys. I definitely see the value in these, and I can see why they flew off the shelf. Plus, every YouTuber and their mama made a video about them. Straight popping packs. The luck is in the hands today. Electric, let's see. Can the last pack pull through, or have we drained this tin dry of all its contents? We shall see. Great ball. A coffin. A Salandit. Purloin. Grubbing some lawns. Scalping some lawns. We got a Cricket Toot in the reverse hollow spot, which means that our last card is a exec. That's excellent, excellent, excellent. Crown excellent. Oh, until then, folks, we will be having that, and we will be catching you later. Maybe sooner than that. If Crown Zenith keeps talking to me. Whisper, whisper. Bye-bye.